Hey guys, good morning. Coach here. And if you started at 7 o'clock, which is the time that we would typically start, you got a beautiful number six that moves 56 pips for you. So if you're trading $10 a pip, that was $560. If you're trading $1 a pip, it was $56. And how in the world do you know if you're supposed to be trading $1 a pip or $10 a pip? Come hang out with me and I'll explain it to you. So great number six, but that's the only one you got. Now you're going to get a number six to buy it, and that's a fake out, or it's going to be news related. So leave it alone. So if you're not a big fan of strategy six and you don't like the trends, because with a trend trade, you're looking for it to move a minimum 5 pips with a goal of 10 pips. So if you're trading $10 a pip and you want to make $100, right? That's kind of the goal. If you're trading $100 a pip, it's $1,000. And it just depends on how much money's in your account. I'm just being honest, because the mindset's going to be the same. Like those candlesticks, they don't know whether you're risking $1, $10, $100, $1,000, $5,000. They don't know that. You know that, but the candlesticks don't. So you have to learn a process that's binary. And if you don't know what binary means, I'll explain that to you. So you're kind of one and done on that strategy six this morning. I prefer strategies one, three, four, and five, and that's all of this stuff over here. So down here, strategy three, these dots are strategy one, four, and five are Fibonacci's, and I'll teach you all that kind of stuff. But if you take those trades, you're going to get maybe 5 or 6 trades making $100 a trade as opposed to just one trend trade. So the trend is your friend, provided you're going in the same direction and you understand what road you're on. So if you have any questions, let me know. I offer 6 free classes. Those free classes are to explain to you how in depth this is going to get, how much time you're going to have to put into this, right? How much money is it going to cost you to learn how to do that? Let's be honest, okay? If it's cheap, it's not good, and if it's good, it's not cheap, right? So think about, like I use this analogy a lot. If you needed a doctor or a surgeon, do you want to go to a guy that had enough money to go to law school, or you want to go to medical school, or do you want to go to a guy that learned how to do brain surgery on the internet, right? Same thing with law school, right? If you need a good lawyer, you're going to find one on YouTube, right? Are you going to check around locally and find out who's got good reviews and word of mouth? That's kind of how I work. So if you have any questions, it's not hard. Okay. It's hard for people because they don't have a plan. They don't know how to execute it. Right. It's so simple once you understand what's going on. But I've not seen anybody on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook and all that actually knows what's going on that can explain it and teach it, right? Some of the best players are not good teachers, and some of the best teachers are not great players. What you need is a blend, someone that can show you how to track it, someone that's willing to share the information with you, a group of people that have been with me for over a decade that you can ask questions and validate what's going on, and they share their results. And it's just a community of trading friends. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm almost out of time. And let me see if I can help you. It doesn't cost you anything, right? So it's free. So I don't know how you're going to beat free, but come hang out with me. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you. Peace.